Welcome to Chesapeake's most premier neighborhood of Edinburgh. I can't wait for you to see this home. We are 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and this floor plan is absolutely to die for. From this absolutely gorgeous kitchen to all of the cathedral ceilings to the openness, we have the best floor plan that you've ever seen. 2 first floor bedrooms. This home is absolutely stunning. Resort vibes back here, so you can come home from a long day, sit out, have nothing to bother you. You've got the beautiful fountain that everybody pays for here, and at least you get to enjoy it back here. Gorgeous saltwater pool for days, hot tub, absolute beauty, and no neighbors to bother you.